First you have to remove this screw, this one, and this one. Then you go to the side of the copier and you remove this one. There's also one screw underneath, right there. And these are the old screws you have to take. Then you move this one to the side. You have to kind of grab this piece and pull it. There's a little piece that holds the paper. Alright, and I think that's all it is. No, there's one more screw right there. Okay, after you remove all the screws, you just take this out. There's a little connector. And just have to take it out. There's a little pin that holds this thing out. It looks like this, so just make sure you take it out by squeezing like this. So the cable, take it out, and you can put it upside down, and that's how it looks. Now we're gonna remove all these screws and take the cover out. Okay, after you remove all the screws, this one you can take it out, and this is your panel, and you have to remove all the screws, basically this one, oops, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Also, you have to unplug this little thing over here. To unplug it, you just be careful with it. You just use your nails, pull it out, the little pin, and then you slide it out. Basically, this one is like in and out. Alright, let's remove those screws. Okay, we took most of the screws out except these ones. You have to remove the little plastic cover. And then we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 screws. And also you have to unplug this little cables. This, open this, and also this two, 1 and 2. So unplug them. Okay, we're ready to take it out. Let's grab it like this. There you go. And you can flip it up. You can flip it upside down. Oops. Take the screwdriver out. And this is the glass that makes the trouble. Just take it out. This is the glass that you have to replace. Alright. So we're gonna put a new one and put it back together. Alright, we're gonna show you how to put the screen back, the new one. So after you take the old one, put the new one. There are 4 pins, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 white little pins. So you put the screen between them, make sure this sits nicely. Okay. Then this unit goes on the top of it. Just make sure you have this little thing outside, otherwise you're gonna have to do it again. This little piece from the screen. There you go. There we go. Now let's just put 2 screws on the copier. Okay, don't go crazy with the screwdriver. Don't tie it up too much, otherwise if the screen is sitting the wrong way, you're gonna break the screen. And that's what happened usually. And then people complained that the screen was bad. Right, maybe one more screw. Okay. Then you flip it and see if it's sitting nicely. Yeah. Sits nicely, then you can put the rest of the screws and tie them up. Okay. Quite a few screws. I will put all of them, just put some of them, and just put this unit in it. The little thing goes inside. I'm just going to show you how to do it. So you put it like this. I hope you can see it, yeah. And tied it up with your nail. There you go. Now this part. Oops. This is the easy part. And just two little dinghies. One. And two. Voila. Three more screws and we're down. Oops, screw. Now we go for this part. So this part takes some screws too. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. So it's this, and this. So the rest of them, they have to go here. This one too. One. So actually, I have to take this one out. Right. All of them, yes. Okay, now, the easy part. Come on. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Okay, now after we did replace the screen, we have to do a little adjustment on the screen. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna press yellow key 1993 and then 5 times the red key. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We should get a new screen. Then you press number 1. Okay, and you're gonna see a little adjustment. So you take something sharp, maybe a pen or screwdriver, and just press right over here where the little dot is. There you go. And there's another one over here. And then press OK. And exit. Voila, the screen is nicely adjusted. Make sure everything works on it, all the buttons. You're ready to go. Thank you.